Good morning. This is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified and advising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with another amazing, interesting question. So, without wasting any time, let's get started on the question we have today. And the question is, hello, I have a problem with a display ads campaign. I can't figure out how to optimize the campaign to spend the budget evenly throughout the day. Our campaign starts at 5 a.m. and ends at 11 p.m., but the daily budget is already exhausted at 9 a.m. and then the campaign stops. When the budget is added, it's spent in an hour and so on and so on. Thank you for your help. Okay, so there are a few understandings which I like to share with you on this question. First of all, it's that you are targeting a huge market, so that makes a bad option over here. That your budget is being spent. I recommend you to test with the campaigns with a small audience size, and then eventually expand. So, what strategy here I can suggest you is to divide the audience into 3 4 sets, and same with budget. Okay, you can divide the budget to 4 campaigns to make 4 smaller campaigns. This way you will have a better idea on which kind of audience is converting and you can spend on. Another way, for instance, in case if you have, for instance, let's say if I open one of the campaign over here, and you can see, let's say if I open at this campaign, our display campaign, and then you see that your budget is actually the cause of concern over here. What you can do is that there are few things which you can do over here. For instance, you can reduce the budget to $20. For instance, if your budget is $100 and you can reduce the budget to $20 and select the save button. Now, at probably at an hour or two, once this budget is exhausted, you can add few more budget and then save the campaign. And then when it becomes exhausted, you can add $20 more and then go to $90, and then lastly to the $100, which was your total budget. So this is another way. But here what I'm trying is to tell you another point is that since your campaign is new and Google needs data, so it's quite early to figure out. Eventually, your campaign will start spending the whole money. You just have to be patient and give time to Google, because Google algorithm will try to understand how your campaign works. You can even do few things over here. For instance, you can go to devices, look out on your devices, and remove those devices which are not performing well. You can look around in a location and remove those locations or areas in a specific location, states or whatever, so that you get the irrelevant traffic out. So that can also help you in spending the budget whole day. So these are the few suggestions which I hope you like it. And just in case if you need me or my team services, the details are in the description of this video on how you can get started with us. Once again, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.